Problem don dey shele inside Imo State o. I think say after these people election and things by now everywhere go don calm. Now I hear say military people don't go attack the residents of Owo Amauma, Abina Omama. So these people just come all of a sudden, they don't know what they do. These men just decide to they burn their houses and their shops for no good reason. And these people come in military attire. And who send them? We don't know, but these guys they claim say na Hope Uzodinma. Now I send these people come. For my people who never watch this one, they can follow me see.
Oh, it is God Almighty. See this bus shop. Oh my God. Hey. Hey.
Come and see what I've done. But I made a mistake. She will go for 9. I made a mistake. She will go for 9. Hope I made a mistake. She will go for 9. Look at what I've done in our junction. Everywhere is ablaze. Hope I lazy email. Hope I lazy email. Look at people house on fire.
Yes. Don't go closer to the police station for explosion.
Look at it. Look at it. Hey. Hope a bastard. Hope I taking on my sweat. Hope I taking on my hope. Look at people's house.
Hope a bastard.
I'm not the hope Namma. I'm not the hope Namma. I'm not the hope Namma. Look, imagine. Nigeria army and Abelobodo just set everywhere blaze. So what happened? Nigeria army, watch out, numero. Watch aya. Everywhere is ablaze. They do learn them about local. Which can go from Kaimon and Obodo? A little bit on Obodo. Ogoban feature as a problem. If I am maybe say Bagadi feature, I want a problem. Look at people's house. Look at Nigeria army. Hello?
Nothing at all they happen for Nigeria. Because right now, I never feel explain how military men go. I beg waiting be on our own function with people building and houses. Because I know see why I go just come there. Nobody say these people follow on a fight. If someone can fight, then I will go understand. So, okay, maybe something happen. This one, nothing happen. Now just enter now, go destroy people businesses. But make we reason this thing well. And I'm not saying now they catch all these terrorists with military uniforms. What if say now these people now come there, come they fight on now? But what's not all be then this one self own? Because nobody say this land belong to now. On the Hausa people, these people are East people. So what at all now they fight for this land? And what did they pay myself now? The people businesses will go just go. People will be say that they don't build house that they said to do. Now they don't destroy everything. Everybody now go back to square one. I beg what they happen? This one not even villages or talkers of cities. What's going to happen for them? And if truly in a Nigerian army do this one, they're supposed to investigate. Because I don't know why now they attack aimlessly. The war where they fight, the Boko Haram fight, now no go they go fight them. You know scientists now come they do. And with this one I do now, it be like someone don't even wait for war. Because these people don't vex. Because they feel saying that the governor now send these people to come attack them. But make yourself think and work. Me, I'm not sure say a governor will be say in the rule the state. Go come decide say he won't destroy your own state. I'm not sure say any right thinking person go think like that. So make na think and work. Governor Hope, I feel say you supposed go this place, go resolve this matter. Because they don't use evil eye look you. In which are they very certain say you may not even know what happened. Behind all these terrorists and bandits now just come and invade the land. But I beg my people wait around this. Beg na they very careful. If be like say now this Eastern region, it don't they very hot. Waiting on they fight for we know IPOB now it don't come down. This one now military men I don't cause destruction. So I beg you if you do where you did, just stay safe. Because no one can hear any bad news about anybody. Anyways, my people now here I go end them on this matter. So now I'm going to go on a short break, but before then, you can stay tuned for our next story. Wahala be like bicycle. Hey, I hear say Achimota youths, this one they happen inside Ghana. They don't catch one police officer, and this police officer, aside the normal police work, this man they deal in Igbo selling and hard drugs. This one shocked me because I never see where the officer of the law now they supply people with Igbo weed and different types of things. This one ain't another kind of level. You will be saying now you suppose they seize this thing for people. Now you can't go for victim. For my people who never watch this one, you can follow me see.
Why don't you give it to me? Why don't you give it to me?
Yes, Ghana Online. We define the news.
This is me. Yes.
Yes, Ghana Online. We define the news.
Really? I want to take money from you. I want to take money from you.
You catch the pay. You put your pocket sister. You take money.
Me.
See, look my first one.
Now wow, but I beg as I look this man, on I sure say this one a real officer. Cause the way when they even talk, they even confuse me. On I sure say this one will be drunkard in uniform. Because everything when they talk, it just they talk us upside down. Then they ask them, are you the one supplying the talk saying, did you see me collect any money? Who they ask you about money? They see you in possession of all these kind of things. You did they explain what you will not understand. But I beg you even give this one uniform in the first place. Because he did very certain say this man a chronic drunkard. Make we come on the first saying be police. Person will be say he go stand for road. Don't drink or go. Stand there saying they control. Now all this kind of police say now they misbehave for road. If you tell them another thing, they go talk another thing. And if no be say these guys arrest hold this man, I sure say if saying hold gun, he go just attack these people. Because with the looks of things, he no even dey in the right senses. Now why they always talk and say police say anywhere they dey for the work, they suppose they do monthly screening for their brain. Because most of them they know they okay. I don't know why most of them they join the force behind that because of the salary where they pay them. Because most of them no get pure mind. Because how you go there say you won't be police. Now you go come they supply hardware with things. It don't make sense that it not even good at all. And now they very certain say you na corrupt cop. Now you go even give your guns to criminals. May they go they rob. And I should say other corrupt cops cops now they call themselves. They even day like this. But just because they never even catch them. Now why all this kind of one they happen? This one I don't even need to call on IGP. I they very certain say the man will carry your matter put for head. I they very certain say by now that your uniform self, they don't come out for your body, they don't go drop you one place. Because all of us know say the Ghana IGP, you know they take nonsense. But I beg as a police officer, act according to your work. If there's okay time for work, behave like say you dey work. And if you know say one day drink, quit the work, go sit down for your house, turn drunkard. Because this one way you do it don't even make sense at all. How you will be supposed to address your citizens and now you can't go join them. Anyways, my people, now here I will end them on this matter. Soon I'm going to go on a short break, but before then, you can stay tuned for our next story.